Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't add audio to Instagram Reels. If you're experiencing issue with adding audio to Instagram Reels, you can try the following steps. First, you need to check your audio permissions. Make sure that your Instagram have permission to access your device's audio. What you have to do is press the Instagram app like this. Go to the app information over there, and after that, tap on the permission option and make sure your device's audio, the media and microphone is permission is allowed, and ensure that the app has permission to access the microphone and the audio settings. You can also try updating your Instagram app. What you have to do is go to the Play Store, and in the top there's a search icon option. Go there and look out for the Instagram app, open it and tap on the update option, and ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Go to the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS and check for any available updates for the Instagram app. And if the problem still persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstall back again. This can sometimes fix with the app functionality as well. Also check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection while trying to add audio to Instagram Reels. A poor internet connection can cause issue with loading audio files as well. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.